You are offered $5 million a year, but every morning for 1 minute you are dropped into a random part of the ocean. Are you taking that deal?
No. You're dead. It's dead. That's dead.
What, 1 minute?
I'm not a great swimmer. I'm not a great swimmer.
No, that's real as fuck. Any part of the ocean, I already don't trust that. No.
You're like on Sundays when you randomly get dropped at like the shore, you're like, ah, good, easy day. But no, any part, it could be any time of day. Just, well, it's in the morning, but it could be like, any weather. 1 minute.
Cash right away.
5 million cash, you get that per year.
That's swimming lessons at least.
You're like, if I survive the first time,
That's a life jacket, bro. That's it.
just wear it to bed. All right.